All right, we got a Grey Wolf Limited solar. The Limiteds come with every option available. Outdoor kitchen. Look at these beautiful doors. Grey Wolf Limited. What a great floor plan. Sofa sleeper in the back. The dinette turns into a sleeper. You got a fireplace. Look how nice this is. The Limiteds always come with the best cabinets. We got a new fridge coming. Had a dent in it, but look at this. Look how nice this is. Nice big bathroom. You get a private bedroom. What a great trailer. Look how nice this is. Boom. Perfect. What a great floor plan.